Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to transcribe calls in GoHighLevel with a new feature that makes it super simple to review and document your conversations. Now, this works for both incoming and outgoing calls, so you'll always have a clear record. But before we dive into the video, there's something special that I want to share with you. Now, normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a thank you, I'm also giving you access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Now, GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Just click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. So first off, let's talk about why this feature is so cool. Now, GoHighLevel now has call transcriptions, which means you get a written record of every call that you make or receive. After a phone call, you can quickly read the transcript instead of trying to remember everything or digging through audio files. On top of that, it's super helpful if you're busy or you have a team dealing with a lot of calls. You can easily check important details and stay organized without wasting time. Having the text version right there makes everything smoother and it keeps your outreach on track. Next, let's look at how to set up this feature in your accounts. Okay, to turn on the call transcription feature, first log into your GoHighLevel agency account, then switch to the sub account where you want to use this feature. And once you're in the sub account, click on the settings tab at the bottom of the menu on the left. Now this will open the sub account settings. After that, you're going to go to the phone numbers section in the settings menu. You'll see that the phone system page is split into a couple of sections, each focusing on different parts of the phone system. To get started, go to the advanced settings section. And once you're there, look for the voice calls tab. This is where you're going to find options for managing calls. Inside this tab, click on voice intelligence. And here you'll find the option to enable call transcription. When you turn this on, it will automatically create transcriptions for all recorded incoming and outgoing calls. This feature is super helpful for businesses that need to review call details, improve how they talk to customers, or keep a record of conversations to stay compliant. However, it doesn't work for calls recorded through IVR or interactive voice response. Also, the transcription features will only work if call recording is turned on for your phone number. So make sure call recording is activated before you enable transcription. To get started, just check the enable call transcription box. Now, once you've done that, the system will automatically start transcribing your recorded calls. This makes it much easier to review and understand conversations without needing to listen to the whole recording. And so that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you want to try GoHighLevel, click the link in the description. If you use my affiliate link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. And plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those 30 days. And on top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and to claim your bonuses. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.